Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to switch accounts in Pokemon Go quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Pokemon Go app on your device. On the main screen, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom center to open the menu. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the app settings menu. Then look for the option labeled Sign Out. Tap it to log out of your current Pokemon Go account. A confirmation message may appear. Select Yes to proceed. Once you are logged out, you will return to the app's login screen. Here you can log in with a different account. Choose the login method that matches the account you want to switch to. Options include Google, Facebook, Niantic Kids, or Pokemon Trainer Club. Enter the credentials for your new account and follow any verification prompts if necessary. Once logged in, the game will load your other account's data. If you frequently switch accounts, consider linking them to different sign-in options, like one with Google and another with Facebook. This makes it easier to log in without confusion. And that's it. You have successfully switched accounts in Pokemon Go. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.